A very warm welcome to our lecturer and our fellow viewers. Okay, this is a task given by our lecturer, and I'm glad that he gave us an opportunity to explore more about Nexus the tool. Okay, what is Nexus tool? Okay, Nexus is remote security scanning tool, which scans a computer and raises an alert if it discovers any vulnerabilities that malicious hackers could gain access. So as an ethical hacker students, we have explored much on this and how are they going to use it, and we also can use it for our ethical purpose as well. So me and our team, Kishan Rao, Jason, and Harish has done research more on this. And yeah, let me pass it to Harish so he can take over and explain more about it.
Thank you, Darwin. Okay, so first, before we want to do, I have to explain to you all how is the process of downloading Nessus tool. So before that, we have to go to Google Chrome, search for Nessus, and find the tool download station. Download the file, choose the which place you want to, where at your lab computer you want to save it. After that, go and find the file and double click the downloaded Nessus tool file. Then click the exe file to run the file. Then it will show that prepare to install when the file is getting ready to run. After that, after finishing that, you click on next. After that, you can select destination folder to store in device and then click next. And after finishing everything, and you're satisfied, click on install. And then the process of installing will take some time to run through the process such like copying new files. After copying the new files, the system will validate the install. So it will take a quite time. Then upon done, a validating installation, it would install WinPCAP, click next to proceed. After that, select install to start the installation options. So I think that's all from me. I would like to pass to my team member Jason.
Thank you, Arish. I will continue from where Arish had left. So as Arish told, once we select install to start the installation process, it will start to install. It could take some time to run through the download process. Once it complete the setup, click finish, as you can see on the second image. So once the setup is finished, launch the tool. It will show a picture above and select Connect Wheel SSL. After selecting it, it will start to initialize. Select the prefix of the product accordingly as a user wish. As for this, we have selected Nessus Accelerate. Once we click that, click continue, then enter activation code that received in your email. If you didn't get an activation code in email, you can fill in up to you can sign in a new account. So enter your username and password in a given space. So once we set up everything, the setup will complete. After setup is complete, it will take a time to download the additional plugins, and it actually take it actually a wrong process, so it will take time to complete setup. Then this will be the once we set up, this will be the first page, the main Nexus accessibility tool page. So we have to enter the enter username. So for now, I will pass to Kishan to continue on the scanning process.
Okay, thank you, Jason, bro. As you all can see, this Nexus Essentials it's a web-based scanning for our tools. So let me just go in using my username and also password. Okay, so it will also show a launch history. So just for now, I'll close it. So I want to have an new scan. Okay, here there are many scan. Here are host discovery, basic network scan, advanced scan, and there are many, and there are also some for upgrade versions for professional. Since we have used basic essential because it's free and it's for study purpose, so we'll go for basic network scan. Okay, so what is the name for this? We will maybe give the same name as what we have here. So scanning a network tool. So we'll add it here. Um, so what is the description? Scanning a network. Okay, so and I'm going to put it on my scan folder. And what is the target? The target is the most important thing. We can have example as our any web of we want to test or anything. So now I want to test the network. So what I'll do, I'll just go on command prompt, and I will go for ipconfig. Okay. So here it shows me my IP4V address. So IP address basically. So I would like to take my IP address and pa- paste it here, and this will I will save it. Okay. Okay, once I have saved, it will be on my scan. So it's on scanning, and what it had, because it haven't scanned, so we cannot know anything. So the schedule is on demand, and last modified is NA because we haven't done anything. So let's press launch, and it might take some time. So once I have stopped it because it's taking kind of long time. So let's just go through what we have. They have, wow, even in the short period of time, there is 6 vulnerabilities, and you can see. So there is some kind of that have detected. So we can even check on how is the output and all those kind of updates and all those things. So it has given us an detailed explanation or how or from where this is also detected. So we can even check for each one. Like this one, you can see it's folders by folders. So even we can check one by one. Computer name. Okay, this is, wow. This is interesting. So there is a lot that we can go through, and then we can know. Okay, so this is only a basic. As we can see, there is many more that we can do. Advanced scan, advanced dynamic scan, malware scan, if mobile device scan, once if we have updated and everything, all these different kind of we can be done. So I think that's all from us. We have given you a basic explanation of how to uh, basically how to say scanning a network using Nexus tool. I think it's very basic and very trans forward that we can do this. So that's all from us. Thank you.